Hello, everyone. My name's Richard Vaughn. I'm the Automation Engineering Manager here at our Linear Technology Division of Bosch Rexroth, and I'm responsible for our Mechatronics department. Today, I want to go over rethinking solutions for linear motion technology, now, next, and beyond, going through the evolution of 30 years of linear axes, smart mechatronics that's coming now and in the future, and some of our e-tools. As part of my 29-year career with Bosch Rexroth, one of the things that's made the evolution of our linear axes so good is we're manufacturing both the guides and drives that go into these handling components. With that, the technical benefits is reaped in the reward of manufacturing and having control of these individual components leading up to a completed assembly. So with that transition, I'd like to show you a video talking a little bit about this 30 years. With over 1 million linear axes deployed in applications over the past 30 years, Rexroth's Easy Handling is more than a kit of components that can significantly reduce engineering time while at the same time optimize your assembly time. You can form your single or multi-axis solution from the breadth of the linear portfolio using compact modules, linear modules, electromechanical cylinders, and many more. These perfectly matched components utilize centering rings to ensure everything mates together properly. In essence, out of the box, you can locate your system from the floor to your end effector. Applications such as case packing machines, pick-and-place palletizers, and automatic tray formers become more seamless to construct as you can order your easy handling solution with just one part number as either a kit or an assembled gantry. Add a Rexroth MS2N motor using either a wraparound or inline motor mount, and then finalize your electromechanical solution by adding Rexroth's drives and controls. After adding some cable management, you're ready to pick and place into the future. So, hope you enjoyed that. A couple of the linear axes that were mentioned there and shown in the video are linear modules. They come in profiled widths from 40 to 165 millimeters, dynamic load capacity up to 68,200 newtons, maximum travels of up to 11.5 meters, and max speeds up to 10 meters per second. This particular module has a single ball rail in it, where the next one, our compact modules, have a dual ball rail. Both modules come ball screw driven or with a belt drive. The compact modules have widths ranging from 70 to 200 millimeters, dynamic load capacities up to 89,300 newtons, max travel range up to 9.5 meters, max speeds up to 5 meters per second, while achieving repeatabilities up to 5 microns. Our electromechanical cylinders come in ISO body sizes from 32 to 100 millimeters, screw sizes up to 50 millimeters with leads up to 40 millimeters per revolution, allowing faster speeds. Dynamic load capacity up to 93 kilonewtons, max thrust force up to 56 kilonewtons. So all of these range together, allowing you to combine easy handling solutions. Some of the applications that you see here, we have catalog bracketry to do anything from pick and place applications to H-type gantries. So a lot to choose from, and as an engineer, you can be real creative in selecting these to do your specific app. Here's an example of one that was done for a packaging application that was picking and placing off a conveyor. It was actually cases of deodorant and then palletizing them at the end of the line. In the photo, you can see our CKR 200 as an x-axis on its side with a z-axis that the body's moving on that was actually had some gripper end effector on it that was picking these palletized deodorant cases up. There's actually a mirror image of this system that you can see in the background. So they were working together in what I would call more of a walking beam motion. In conjunction with our EnderDrive MI motors that are on here for a cabinet-free solution, the Rexroth aluminum extrusion was utilized to mount it to the customer's system. Another product in our portfolio that we have today is part of our Smart Mechatronics that's in the now. A Smart Function Kit for pressing is actually a solution that's allowing easy product selection, zero programming, and plug and produce to become a reality as we're providing easier to configure, easier to order solutions that are here. As part of that, you can get press forces that range from 2 to 30 kilonewtons. No programming knowledge is required because it's all drag and drop, and it's all delivered in a single package. While this may not be optimum for you now in the packaging industry, some of the solutions coming forward are, and that's why I wanted to touch on them. We're taking our best-in-class linear technology components, adding sensors, electronics, and software to them to provide completely new solutions. The next product coming out sometime next year is the Smart Function Kit for handling. This particular product uses our new Control X platform and brings together these browser-based HMIs, our MS2N servo motors, and the linear components into an easy solution. Being able to configure them with our sizing tool Lens Select, all the way to our CAD configurator, and even do digital twin modeling with them. You can select the level that you want. Another product coming more in the beyond, but it's after the Smart Function Kit for pressing, is the Smart Flex Effector. The product vision for it is taking tactile technology, providing 6 degrees of freedom for a compensation unit, and doing applications like a 3D coordinate measuring machine to do sensitive apps like a human hand precisely as a robot. Some different applications like teaching, passive joining, locking, demonstrating, and probing are ones that you can do. But the best way to describe these products coming forward, a couple of my colleagues, Daniel Bauer and Michael Dansberger, will now give you a little more details on them.
Within the factory automation, handling is a key element. We made it to our task to design a solution that makes handling as easy as possible. The Smart Function Kit for handling. Hey, I'm Daniel. I'm the product owner for the Smart Function Kit for handling, the second functional application out of our Smart Function Kit family. Similar to the Smart Function Kit for pressing, the Smart Function Kit for handling consists of mechanics, electrics, and software. More precisely, it's a single or multi-axis system executing various types of handling with the highest precision and reliability. For example, pick-and-place applications, assembling, packaging, or machine loading. The Smart Function Kit for handling software allows an easy commissioning and referencing of the multi-axis system. Besides, the visual programming feature enables quick creation of handling sequences. With the provided field bus building blocks, the integration in a higher level machine infrastructure is extremely simple and does not need integration or coding effort. Program creation is faster than ever before, thanks to our easy drag and drop process configuration. If you need more information, just click on our website and watch out for our upcoming Smart Mechatronics videos.
Welcome, I'm Michael and I'm a member of the Linear Motion department of Bosch Rexroth. In this short clip I want to show you an idea we're working on in my team. Let's begin. Let's say my arm here, my right arm, is a robot. It's a Cartesian robot, so I can move it like this or stop. Let's say it's a 6-axis robot because it's making it for me much more easier doing the movements. Let's say my arm is the robot arm and I want to grip this cup of coffee, and in this case my hand here would be the gripper. I have the arm, so should be easy for me to grip it, or shouldn't it? I forgot something very important. When I'm a robot I have no senses like my eyes watching where is the cup, or my hand, my tactile sense. What we have to do is we have to teach the arm. So I have to say, where is the cup to my arm? Doing it like, going a little bit more right, forward, forward, going down, forward, forward. Okay, let's grip. Okay, was okay, but was not easy. It was not so, it's not a good feeling doing it like that. It's much more easy doing it like this. So that's why we thought about the idea of our flex effector. It's just a prototype, but what we have here is a smart compensation unit. So we add to the robot arm 6 axes of freedom. In addition, we have also a coordination measuring machine. So my robot has a sixth sense, has a tactile sense. So the robot is exactly knowing in every moment where is he in the room. Here we have the data getting out of my flex effector. And same example, here's my arm, my robot arm, I have my flex effector, and my hand is still the gripper. And so it's possible for me to grip the cup of coffee without looking. Now I'm touching it? Exactly, and I can grip it. So it's very easy for me to grip the cup of coffee without touching. And could be here, or could be here. It's not important that the cup is still on the same point. We are measuring the points of each of the 6 axes. So it's so cool because you're making processes smart and you're making your robot smart. And another fact is it's easy for me to interpret the data because it's in millimeters and degrees. So that's what I'm feeling. I have a good feeling for it. I'm knowing what's there. So let's say it was a nice try, and now it's time to drink my cup of coffee.
So not only was the music really cool in that video, it was intended to show you that all of these current products and future ones are being added to our intelligent e-tools. We have online product selection, product configurators allowing 2D and 3D modeling, connection element selectors for multi-axis solutions, and our lens select for linear module system sizing is highly recommended. Thank you so much for your time, and please let us know how we can help you pick and place your way into the now, next, and beyond.